great day to see and admire how far we have come and how far we have to go. We have lot more to thrive and lot more to show. Let's rejoice this magnificent journey we have up to now. Let's extol and bless the program and take over. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are truly blessed to have you all here. In this galaxy of intellects, our adored director sir, worthy principal ma'am, treasured invitees, our reverend teachers, and of course, our amazing students. I, Rose Sharma, along with my co-host Madam Priya, would like to invite you all on a majestic program. Thank you.
Life is really short, so we must enjoy each and every moment as it comes to us. Let's steal out some such moments from it today and make it memorable through this colorful program. I, Priya Sehgal, along with my co-host, Madam Rose, also extend the heartiest welcome to all the treasured invitees, our guests, and the chief guest, rather I would say the chief guests, who are none other than our distinguished parents present here. Be it decision making, attending workshops, or declaring the winners of the various competitions, parents, you have always supported us. With each passing day, DCM is attaining new heights, which would never have been possible without your favors. So, I would like to request all the teachers present here to give a big round of applause for our parents who actually give wings to our dreams. Now, let's move on to our traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony and seek the blessings of Almighty. Let's pray Him to bless us with wisdom and intellect to take the right decisions in our lives. I request our coordinator, Madam Deepika Bhardwaj, to escort Director Sir and Principal Ma'am Usha Gupta for the lamp lighting ceremony.
दीपो ज्योति परब्रह्म दीपो ज्योति जनार्दन दीप हरतु मे पापा दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुख संपदा मम बुद्धि प्रकाशं च दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते.
Thanks, Madam Sir. I request you to kindly take your seat so that we can commence the program.
As rightly said, darkness cannot take out darkness, only light can. With this lighting of lamp ceremony, we wish and expect that this light will enlighten our soul and spread love and brotherhood among ourselves. As a person alone cannot change the world, we need help from others. On this note, I would like to invite our tender little anchors of class 5 to take you on a majestic journey. Please give them a big round of applause.
One of the most revered and loved Hindu gods, the Lord of Success and the Destroyer of Evils, Lord Ganesha, who is also known as Vignaharta, worshipped as the Lord of Wisdom, Wealth, Knowledge and Education. So let's pray and request Him to bless us with the ability and wits, so that this event completes without any obstacles.
गणेश देव श्री 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 गणेश। ज्वाला सी चलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा है जिसकी रखवाली यारे, करता साया तेरा देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश। तेरी भक्ति का वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है, इन किनारे की कश्ती है वो देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी, सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी, पाप की आंधियां लाख हो कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी, अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, मुल्क ये जहां रे
What a divine and elegant beginning of the performances was this. After this beautiful Ganesh Vandana, I would like to invite our welcome dance group to give a delightful welcome to our chief guest, management and the audience.
Dear audience, we would request you to please give a big round of applause for the tiny little performers. They need your motivation.
Sari sari sani sa. तशरीफ लाए हमारी मेहमान, तशरीफ लाए हमारी मेहमान, तशरीफ लाए। तशरीफ लाए हमारे घर आए, तशरीफ लाए हमारे घर आए, हमारी मेहमान तशरीफ लाए हमारे मेहमान, तशरीफ लाए। कलियां खिली हैं, फूल सजे हैं, कलियां खिली हैं, फूल सजे हैं, अनहद बाजे खूब बजे बजे हैं।
मप दप मप धनि धप मप गम रे सा।
मप धनि सा धनि रे सा धनि पा नि प मप गम रे सा गम रे सा। कलियां कलियां खिली है फूल सजे हैं, अनहद बाजे खूब बजे हैं। धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धा धा धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धा धा धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धादर गिर धा धा धा। अनहद बाजे खूब बजे हैं, अनहद बाजे खूब बजे।
तत्तथै तत्राम थै तत्तथै तत्राम थै तिधा दिग दिग थै तिधा दिग दिग थै तिधा दिग दिग। दारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरी न तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरी न तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरी न। दीम दीम तोम तोम तनाना तनाना दिग दिग दीम दीम तोम तोम तनाना तनाना दिग दिग। तदारी दारी दारी तदारी दारी दारी तदारी दारी दारी तदारी दारी दारी। दीम दीम तोम तोम तनाना तनाना दिग तदारी दारी दारी तदारी दारी दारी तदारी दारी दानी ना तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरे ना तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरे ना तदारी दानी साथे तेरे साथे ना साथे तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना तेरे ना तदारी दानी साथे तेरे साथे ना साथे तदारी दानी दीम दीम तनाना ता ता सीधा दिख दिख थे ता ता सीधा दिख दिख थे ता ता सीधा दिख दिख ता।
Wow, what could be more beautiful start of the event than this? It was really mesmerizing. I would request all the parents to be generous with your claps. These tiny tots have put in lot of effort to make you smile.
I would want to add something. This program is being telecasted online. The links which were shown above on the screen can be used for the access of the program anytime. Same links will be uploaded on the Snap Homework app as well on the school website. Thank you.
Sufi dance, a sacred ritual of love, is a beautiful spiritual practice, a meditation, a mystical journey of spiritual ascent through mind to God's love.
It is strongly believed that music, poetry, dance are the path to reach God. Let our souls to be enlightened by a Sufi dance performance.
What a Rouhani and divine performance was it! Totally fascinating. I really felt a kind of divine sensation running through my veins. Over to our little anchors for announcing the next program.
What makes a child gifted and talented may not always be getting good grades in school, but a different way of looking at the world while learning.
For a child, the school is first home and teachers are like mothers. DCMS is an emblem of quality and dignity.
We are proud of our school that is laced with qualities like value education and prayers. We are prepared here to face the challenges of outer world confidently.
So let's see and welcome the DC Modelites who love their school wholeheartedly. With
wonderful performance given by these cute little angels, we are really proud of our school. Because in DC model, we do not only prefer academics, we prefer culture value also, moral values also, because a man without ethics is nothing. I would like to tell you that tomorrow we have our blood donation camp. One of the steps initiated in the same way. We would seek your presence there in this noble cause. Thank you so much. On this note, I would like to invite our little wonders again to take the program forward. Please give them a big round of applause.
Indian classical dance is a way of expressing one's feelings and stories in a controlled manner that is just right so that it appeals, not repels. Let's move forward to our next dance performance, classical dance, which is an amalgam of grace, rhythm, and piousness.
आधा है, रात आधी है, कहीं तेरी मेरी बात भी आधी न है।
आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी। आधा है चंद्रमा।
रहने दो मन की अभिलाषा।
आस होगी नहीं क्या ये पूरी, आस कब तक रहेगी अधूरी, प्यास होगी नहीं क्या ये पूरी, प्यासा प्यासा पवन, प्यासा प्यासा गगन, प्यासे तारों की भी है बारात आधी, आधा है चंद्रमा रात आधी, रह न जाए तेरी मेरी बात आधी, मुलाकात आधी, आधा है चंद्रमा।
Wow, what a performance. Grace on stage and delight in heart. Superb, children. Please give another big round of applause to them.
I would like to proudly mention here that the program you are witnessing right now is a reflection of the hard work of our dedicated teachers. Be it recording or preparing the students for their dance performances, everything has been done by our worthy teachers under the constant guidance of our director, sir. No choreographer has been hired from outside. So I would like to request you to give a big round of applause to our dance teachers, Madam Anjali Kanwar, Madam Nishi Chadda, Madam Vandana, and our very adroit Vijay sir.
As it is said, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. But working together is success. This is indeed the mantra we follow here in DC model. We always join our hands to touch the heights. And proudly, I want to invite Madam Aarti, English faculty head, to please come on the stage to present you all with the school progress report. Please give her a big round of applause.
Overwhelming performance. I'm not coming out of this one. I feel honored to extend hearty greetings to our parents, teachers, and dear children. I believe that the purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open mind. The direction in which a child starts his education determines his future life. The whole objective of education should be to develop the mind that works and to free a child's potential by instilling in him a curiosity to learn so that he will continue to learn as long as he lives, as education is for life and not for living. It is rightly said the secret of all great undertakings is hard work and self-reliance. I avail this opportunity today to express a heartfelt thanks to our director, sir, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Gupta, for his trust in his hard work and self-reliance, which has boosted her efforts to make our school one of the best schools. I also extend my thanks to Principal Mrs. Usha Gupta for her constant support and guidance in all matters concerning to school management. Annual Day program not only provides a platform for the students to showcase their talents, but also gives the school a chance to window the works done by it. The annual report showcases the achievements and the glories of the schools undoubtedly, but also makes us to think deep about our shortcomings too. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and perform and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves to strive and to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. Here we go with our digital report of the school's achievements for the session 2017 and 18.
No.
Wow! Kudos to our young achievers who not only brought laurels to their parents but added feathers to the school's cap and setting examples for others to follow in future times. I wish all my children the very best for their future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Madam Aarti, for being a facilitator and giving an insight into our working strategies and accomplishment through this progress report. Let's welcome our little champs again for the further movement of the program. Give a big hand up.
Patriotism is the great and selfless passion of love for one's country. To an Indian, motherland is superior even to heaven. Patriotism teaches us to love our country and embrace the whole humanity. It enlightens people about their predominant duties towards the nation. Let us all together commence a journey of peace and harmony. So now, let's our hearts get soothed with the patriotic Qawwali and fill it with the heroic spirit.
Audience, your claps will add motivation to these chaps.
कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल काना वो खून कहो किस मतलब का आ सके देश के
कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें जीवन रवानी है जो परवश होकर बहता है वो खून नहीं है पानी है
वो खून नहीं कदम मिला के चल नौ निहाले
काफिला मुश्किलें पछाड़ते,
मुश्किलें पछाड़ते, मुश्किलें पछाड़ते, पर्वतों को लांघते, शेर से दहाड़ते, पर चला काफिला मुश्किलें पछाड़ते, हर कदम नई उमंग में उड़ा के चल, हर कदम नई उमंग में उड़ा के चल,
हर कदम नई उमंग में उड़ा के चल।
कदम मिला के चल, मुस्कुरा के चल, कदम मिला के चल, तो मुस्कुरा के चल, नगर नया सफर कदम मिला के चल, लो निहाल देश के तो मुस्कुरा के चल। हाथ हाथ मेरिए, हाथ हाथ मेरिए, साथ साथ चल दिए, साथ साथ चल दिए,
देश पर सदा मिटे, देश के लिए जिए,
देश के लिए जिए, देश के लिए जिए। मिलकर ये कसम खाते हैं, जिंदगी देश पर लुटा
बांध के सर पे कफन हम निकले, दुश्मने देश को बताने हम चले।
आओ मिलकर ये कसम खाते हैं, कसम खाते हैं, कसम खाते हैं, जिंदगी देश पर लुटाते हैं, जिंदगी देश पर लुटाते हैं, जिंदगी देश पर लुटाते हैं।
बांध के सिर पे कफन हम निकले, दुश्मने देश को बताने हम चले। मिलके आए बढ़ते जाए,
मिलके आए
बढ़ते जाए, मिलके आए बढ़ते जाए।
और यही वक्त का इशारा
It was really an incredible and captivating performance by our little patriots who are ever ready to lay their lives for the nation. Let's hear our little anchors again and see what have they brought for us now.
Before this, I want to inform you all that our Honorable Director Sir has initiated a mission of planting 10,000 lemon plants by the end of this year. And we have successfully planted 8,435 lemon plants with the contribution of other schools and Sahodaya schools. We would like to thank every one of you who have contributed in this noble cause and look forward for the rest of the 1,565 plants. Please come forward, adopt a plant, and please contribute in this noble cause. Thank you so much.
Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, known for its vibrant dance performance and delicious Punjabi cuisine. Punjabis, who are always known for their festivals and celebrations through Bhangra and Gidda.
Please welcome the boys with upbeat, popular music with their turbans set on and the energy and zeal in their blood for the rocking Bhangra performance.
Please welcome them by joining your hands.
ਬਾਦਾਮਾਂ ਜਿਹਾ ਰੰਗ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਹਿਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਅੜਬ ਸਿਰੇ ਦਾ ਹਥਿਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਡਰਦਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਰਲੇ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜੱਗ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਸ਼ਿਕਾਰ ਜੀ
ਓਏ ਸਰਦਾਰ
जी सरदार जी
ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਜਵਾਨ ਕਦੇ ਕੂਰ ਅੱਖ ਦੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਮਾਨਾ ਆਪੇ ਗੱਲ ਪੱਖ ਦੀ ਆ ਚੱਲੇ ਨਾ ਜਵਾਨ ਕਦੇ ਕੂਰ ਅੱਖ ਦੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਮਾਨਾ ਆਪੇ ਗੱਲ ਪੱਖ ਦੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਪੈਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਮੋੜਨਾ ਨਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਉਧਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਅਣਖਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਰਦਾ ਏ ਹੱਕ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਪੱਗ ਲੈ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਅਣਖਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਰਦਾ ਏ ਹੱਕ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਪੱਗ ਲੈ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਜਿਗਰੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਲਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਆਰ ਪਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਗਏ ਹੋ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜੀ
Oh my God. Guys, you broke the stump of the stage. Such dashing Sardarjis. Please give them another big round of applause. With this, I would like to call upon our little dazzlers again for taking the program forward.
Situated in the state of Uttarakhand, surrounded by the splendid beauty of snow-capped Himalayan peaks, heavenly rivers and cradled in the awesome beauty, the Garhwal region is a treasure trove for nature and art lovers.
Bringing and retaining the culture of Garhwal, our little Garhwalis are going to present the folk song and the cultural anthem of Uttarakhand, composed by Mohan Apreti, that is Bedu Paku, which evokes a strong homecoming sentiment in people with roots in that state whenever they hear it. So let's soothe our ears with this beautiful folk song.
beautiful and enchanting recital spreading the fragrance of Garhwal. We could feel the presence of the real Garhwalis here, calling their mates for homecoming. As it is said, every beginning has an end, and every end has a new beginning. Let's crown the enthralling performances of our little performers with vote of thanks and gratitude to all those who made this evening a grand success. I would like to decorate the dais by inviting our coordinator, Madam Deepika, for the vote of thanks ceremony.
Good afternoon, everyone. Gratitude is not only the greatest virtue, but the parent of all the other virtues. While thanking the Almighty for His countless blessings, I am here to express my gratitude and thank all those who have made this cultural extravaganza a memorable one to cherish. The annual function marks the celebration of another year of our fruitful association, achievement, and success of the students and the school. It's my privilege to express my sincere gratitude to Squadron Leader K.S. Vashisht, the President of Managing Committee of DC Model School, for his benign presence. On behalf of DC Model family, we wish to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the parents from the bottom of our hearts for their invaluable time to be with us on this day and their encouragement to the students in every possible way. They are the most valuable asset of our school. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to all our teachers who have worked tirelessly for days together and their commitment to make the function a grand success. With a deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our team of teachers who contributed immensely in one way or the other in the smooth conduct of the function. A special thanks to our choreographers, Ma'am Anjali, Ma'am Nishi Chadha, and Ma'am Vandana. I won't fail to thank our techno-smart Vijay sir for his continuous technical support. We would also like to thank our computer department, Ma'am Palvinder and Ma'am Nisha, for putting in best of their efforts to prepare such impressive backdrops and school report. I wish to acknowledge the contribution and help of the support staff in the event, its preparations and its success. I would like to thank our Director Sir Shri Bharat Bhushan Gupta and Principal Ma'am Mrs. Usha Gupta for their expert advice and able guidance. It goes without saying that today's program would not have been such a grand success without their continuous supervision, monitoring, and their expert advice. I would like to mention profound appreciation for the support and help provided by Mrs. Renu Verma, Principal, DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School, in the successful conduct of the annual function. Before I conclude, I would also like to thank Banu Ma'am for her able coordination between different areas of work. Though due care has been taken to mention the name of each and every person involved in making this event a grand success, still, if I miss out on anybody's name, kindly accept my sincere apologies. I once again thank everyone for their cooperation in making today's show a grand success. Finally, a piece of information. The school is organizing a blood donation camp at DC Montessori Senior Secondary Smart School on November 4, 2018. I would request all those who are willing to donate blood and save lives to attend the camp and donate blood in the larger interests of the society. One person's blood donated
can save 5 lives at a time. So, please attend in large numbers and donate blood in the service of the society and nation. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful words. And we would like to thank you also for your continuous support, facilitation, and guidance. Thank you for showing confidence in our abilities and let us work as we want to. Thank you so much, ma'am. As my friend said, everything has to come to an end. But before concluding this event, we still have few precious stones from our treasure to showcase. For this, once again, I would like to call upon our little wonders to take you to that roller coaster ride. Please give them a big round of applause.
Water, water everywhere, and nor any drop to drink. The famous lines written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge seems to turn true in the present scenario. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Every year, our farmers who toil hard on their fields, putting their heart and soul into it, are committing suicide due to failure of their crops or the scarcity of water in the form of drought.
It is truly said too, anything is valuable only in two situations. First, before getting it. Second, after losing it. So let's initiate a wise move in a direction of saving and preserving of water before it gets too late, and adopt conserve water, conserve life in practice.
Give a big round of applause to our wailing farmers who, in the form of this performance, wants to leave a strong message for all of us.
सुनाए तुम्हें एक कहानी जिसमें ना राजा है ना रानी, थोड़ी नई है थोड़ी पुरानी, पानी की कहानी भाई पानी की कहानी, पानी की कहानी भाई पानी की कहानी। देश के बीचों बीच चंबा एक छोटा सा गांव। इस गांव के किसान भी दूसरे गांव की तरह अपना गुजर बसर खेती बाड़ी से ही करते।
मदन चाचा, ओ मदन चाचा।
बोलो बेटा।
इस बार तो बारिश होनी ही चाहिए, फसल भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए।
हाँ हाँ बेटा, इस बार मेहनत भी तो की आप सब।
घने घन घोर कार छाए बदरा, धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुरियां चमके।
मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा,
मन धड़काए बदरवा। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ। बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ।
घन घन घिर घिर आए बदरा,
घने घन घोर कार छाए बदरा,
धमक धमक गुजे बदरा के डंके,
चमक चमक देखो बिजुरियां चमके।
मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन मन धड़काए बदरवा।
पेड़ों पर झूले डालो और ऊंची पेंग बढ़ाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ।
बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ।
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ,
पानी तो बरसाओ।
बिजली की तलवार नहीं
बूंदों के बाण चलाओ,
बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। घन घन घिर घिर आए बदरा, घन घन घोर कार छाए बदरा, धमक धमक गुजे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो।
जिस साल बारिश अच्छी होती है, खेत हरे भरे होते हैं, चेहरे खिल जाते हैं। लेकिन जिस साल बरसात नहीं होती, उस साल आंसुओं की बरसात होती है। तब सूखी आंखें अब आसमां को टटोलती हैं। मनुष्य प्यासे हैं, खेत प्यासे हैं। प्यास बुझे तो कैसे बुझे, दाना फूटे तो कैसे फूटे।
जल दे जल दे जल दिए जल दे, जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे। जल दे जल दे जल दिए जल दे, जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे। जल दे जल दे जल दिए जल दे, जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे।
जल रही है सूखा समंदर, जल रही है धरती ये सूखी, जल रही है सूखा समंदर, जल रही है धरती ये सूखी। जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दे, जल रही है सूखा समंदर, जल रही है धरती ये सूखी, जल रही है सूखा समंदर, जल रही है धरती ये सूखी। जल जल में जल रहे सब तो, जल बिना मन भी तो है बंजर। जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दे।
है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है। भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू। है सुना तू भटके मन को राह दिखाता है, मैं भी खोया हूँ मुझे घर बुलाता है। भगवान है कहाँ रे तू। ऐ खुदा है कहाँ रे तू, है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है। भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू, भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू।
यदि हम आज ना संभले तो शायद कभी भी ना संभल पाए। जल है तो कल है, चलो आज ये प्रण लेते हैं कि हम अपने आने वाले कल को बेहतर बनाने के लिए आज से ही प्रयत्न शुरू करें। आओ जल का संरक्षण करें,
आओ जल का संरक्षण करें।
ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हों तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हों तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। खुद को बचाना है तो ना करे नादानी, पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी।
It's indeed a lesson to be learned from these little kids. We need to wake up from our slumber. We need to give every try, every possibility to preserve water and use it wisely. As my friend said before, everything comes to an end. But my dear friends, do not forget that every sunset is an opportunity to reset. On this note, I would like to invite our worthy teachers for the grand finale, the last performance of this event, and would request the parents to please stay here till the national anthem. Please put your hand together for our reverend teachers. Teachers, please grace the stage. Just a reminder, we have our blood donation camp tomorrow at DC Montessori School, Manni Majra. So we would seek your presence there and we would invite you to please donate blood. It's a very noble cause. And the links which are being shown on the screen, if you are unable to access those links, you can take help of Mr. Harsh. He's always here. After the program gets over, you can come and have a word with him for this. Thank you. give them a big round of applause. They are the backbone of the school.
वो मिला दे हर चेहरा, वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की। ये दिन जहां में हर कहीं भर दे रोशनी, उसी के प्यार की, उसी के प्यार की। दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा, वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। दुनिया मेरी ऐसे चमके जैसे रोशनी ने रोशनी वो भर दी हर कहीं। दुनिया सारी ऐसी महके जैसे इस खुशी में हर कली वो महकी हर कहीं। आज जहाँ भी तुम रहो चल साथ हमारे अब कहो से हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। आज मिले तुमसे कोई से तुम भी बड़े दिल से मिलो से हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। आज जहाँ भी तुम रहो चलो साथ हमारे अब कहो से हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली। आज मिले तुमसे कोई से तुम भी बड़े दिल से मिलो से हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली।
Thank you, teachers, for being such a sport. And we would love to have you all here. Thank you, Director Sir and Principal Ma'am. Teachers who left, please come and join them on the stage. Please come fast for a group photograph. Vijay Sir, you are also being called to be here. Please come. Please come and grace the stage. Shanti Sir, you can also come on the stage, please. Nisha ma'am and Inderjeet ma'am. Palvinder ma'am is already here with us. Vijay Sir, for a while only. Please come for a while. Thank you so much, everyone, all the teachers and management. And thank you to the audience for your patience and for being a wonderful audience. Now I would request everyone for concluding this event to please stand for National Anthem. Anchors, you can join us. Thank you so much, everyone. Our anchors can
मुकेश भैया का
come.
नाम- कमलेश भैया मुकेश भैया का नाम बोलना है।
Our anchors can come and introduce themselves now.
मैम बोल रहे हैं, प्रिंसिपल मैम।
We would like to thank Kamlesh Bhaiya and Mukesh Bhaiya for smooth drawing of curtains every time. Thank you so much. Give them a big round of applause. Please come, chaps.
Hello everyone, I am Aishrawat for class 5C. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nitya and I am from class 5C. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Meg of class 5A. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anat from class 5th A. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yashuba of class 5C. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nishtha Garg of class 5C. Thank you.
They are little bundle of joys of our class.
Hello everyone, my name is Angel of class 5B. Thank you. Hello, my name is Prisha. I am from class 5B. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tamanna of class 5C. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshata. I am from class 5C. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prachi of class 5B. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anshika of class 5C. Thank you.
Most sensitive child of my class. Most sincere, right?